Okay, what up, traders? What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. Gonna break down ticker symbol VITE. Okay, we're gonna look at VITE. We're looking at the daily chart right now. I'm gonna break down the patterns that I see currently on the chart, and then we're gonna go over the valid support levels and also the bearish and the bullish price targets. Okay, don't want anybody to be fooled in this video. Gonna give you guys some good, simple technical analysis. And then also, just need you guys to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you find anything useful or educational in this video, right? So starting off, I want to highlight this right here. Okay, this is a bearish chart pattern known as a rising wedge. So we're seeing the price zigzag in between this area, and we could come up to our breakout level right here at 0.04142. Okay, so that's my breakout level. And above there, we have some bullish price targets. To the upside, I'll go over how I came up with those price targets. And then we have right here, this is going to be our major support levels, okay? I'll break down how I got these support levels. And then down here, these are going to be all of the bearish price targets, okay? The first thing I want you guys to do is take a look down here at our MACD, okay? So we had a very nice MACD buy signal right here. This is when this blue line on the MACD crosses above the orange line, okay? And if you can see here, that was right at this point, and that's the very nice start of this breakout that we've been on. Okay, it's been on a very nice breakout, and it's been doing some really good things. But we need to know, there's a couple things you really need to know. Okay, one of them, if we look at our relative strength index, which measures the relative strength of a token at its given price, right? We are overbought right now. Okay, so when you're above this line here, that's 70. When you're at 70 or above, it's known as overbought. Now, that doesn't mean that it can't pull or continue to go higher, but it just means that, you should expect a pullback. And, if we do see a pullback, okay, we want to, bounce off of one of these support levels here and push up higher and continue the uptrend. All right, now if we break these levels, okay, we have this level right here, our 61.8% level. That's the golden ratio. So we're going to see if we get maybe a little bit of a fake out, right, and let's say we fake out, break that trend line, and then bounce, continue heading higher, that would be nice. That would be very bullish. Okay, the 61.8 is basically your last support level on the retracements. Okay, the way I'm getting these levels is I'm using the fibs. Okay, I'm using the fib tool over here, and what I've done is I've taken our most recent low, all right, connected the swing low to the swing high, and nothing really moves up in a straight line, right? It's going to retrace, and these are the three most common retracement levels that traders and algos are going to be looking at and programmed to either buy or sell at. All right. Believe it or not, most of cryptocurrency is traded by algos. About 70% of all the trading is done by algos. So it's important to think like an algo and trade like an algo. It's going to really help give you an edge. Okay. So yeah, so that's where we got these numbers from. Okay. These are going to be our very important support levels to see if we can continue an uptrend. And if we break those levels, all right, we're going to come down and hit our first bearish price target right here of about 0.022. All right. And that's also going to complete this rising wedge, aka bearish pattern, if we come down to this support level. Okay. If we break those, we have two support levels down here, two more bearish price targets we'd be looking at 0.015, 0.018. Now to the upside, okay, because momentum has been very strong, the MACD has not given us a sell signal yet, right? This blue line is still trading above. All right. Like I said, we are overbought. So we may just pull back a little bit, right? Bounce off of this level and continue heading up higher. Okay. And you would see the relative strength index do something like this and then head back up higher. But, until you see this blue line cross the orange line, and start trading below there, that's really going to be your sell signal. And that's when we might see this pattern play out. Okay. Now to the upside, what I've done is I've also used the fib tool. Okay. And instead of just looking at the 38.2 all the way through to 61.8, what we're looking at is above the 100 level, above the one level. Okay, that's my blue breakout level. And once you get above there, that's really when you can see some breakout levels. Okay, some bullish price targets in green we have here is 0.0465, 0.04916, and 0.05298. That's right here at the 161.8% retracement or extension in this case. I'm sorry, not retracement. But yeah, that's you know, also part of the golden ratio. Okay, the 161.8, the 61.8, you know, those are really strong numbers. Okay, that, you know, prices are going to be attracted to whenever they're completing their moves. All right. Now, the way I got that was I took this most recent swing high and connected it to the most recent swing low. All right. And that's where you're going to get these levels. So for this one, remember, we took the swing low up to the swing high to find the retracement level. Okay. For here, we're looking for the breakout. Okay. You know, for the breakout of this move from here to here, if we continue upwards, these are going to be the levels that the price action is going to be drawn to. And that's basically it. Okay. Just a quick update for you guys, breaking down some of the most recent price action. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel too, and make sure to leave me a comment down below on any cryptocurrencies you want me to break down next. Okay, because I do viewer requests every single week. And you know, I'd be happy to do one video for you on whatever coin, whatever crypto, even stocks you would like me to analyze for you as soon as I can. Okay.